creative redundancy, the one known as CR. It's 5-gallon bucket challenge going on right now for 2026 for growing some plants into. So I'm gonna do a tomato one, but first, yes, I do have a bucket here, right? But I generally use these buckets for water. I'm gonna use a smaller one. The concept will still be the same, just the scale of it will be different. This is just kind of run-of-the-mill kind of soil that I have around here. Nothing special. I'll sift this. Let's see what it'll turn into at the bottom. So I'll keep sifting this for a little bit. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. You can see this more fine stuff at the bottom now. Bigger pieces and stuff like that, I'm just gonna put at the bottom for now, because I gotta fill the bottom anyways. Now what I'm gonna do here is actually mix this in with something. I got a container that has some compost that's also been sifted and some char material right here. I'll start adding it into the top of the container. So now it's time to pre-water this. Even though I've used my own soil that I have locally here, so there is some moisture, it's because I added in the compost in, and technically compost is hydrophobic initially, right? So I'm gonna go get some water here. At the top here, just a thin layer of kind of like more potting mix, right? So something really, really fine to grow the seeds into. Now, it is time for those seeds. They're really, really small. Like look how small they are. Maybe right about there. You can see them. They're so small. I'm trying to make sure I don't drop it because I'm like outside. I won't be able to see it. I'll just randomly have some plant growing in the grass. Let's see, right about there. And this last one right here, maybe right there. Just very slowly.